Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Talkin'.
Hi, listeners. Brr, it's freezing today.
I'm David.
And I'm Olivia.
Did you see outside, Olivia?
Yes, it's snowing.
So much snow. Everything is white.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. It's terrible.
Why terrible?
Because now I can't go outside.
You love staying home anyway.
That's different. This is forced staying home.
And that's our topic today.
Snowy days.
Part 1, Staying Home on Snowy Days.
Part 2, traffic problems in snow.
2 big winter problems.
But before we start, listeners,
Please subscribe to our channel.
click that button, keep warm, and subscribe.
And leave a comment. Do you like snow or hate it?
Tell us.
Okay, let's begin. David, imagine this. You wake up, you look outside, everything is white.
That happened to me last week.
What was your first thought?
Oh, no.
Oh no?
Yes, snow means problems.
My first thought was, oh, pretty.
Pretty. Pretty?
Yes, snow is beautiful.
Snow is cold and wet and slippery.
But it looks like a fairy tale.
A cold fairy tale.
You're so negative.
I'm realistic.
When you saw the snow, what did you do?
I went back to bed.
You went back to bed?
Yes, too much snow. I called my boss. I can't come to work today.
You took a snow day?
Of course. Look at that snow. It's dangerous.
It was only 5 centimeters.
Ha! It was only 5 centimeters.
When do you decide to stay home?
Any snow, any amount.
Even a little bit?
Yes, safety first.
That's an excuse.
No, it's common sense.
Only if it's really bad.
How bad?
More than 10 centimeters.
10? That's crazy. You can't even walk.
Yes, you can, with good boots.
Boots don't help on ice.
You're scared of ice.
I'm cautious.
Last year you fell.
That was one time.
In front of your office.
The pavement was icy.
Everyone saw you.
Don't remind me.
Okay, so you're staying home. What do you do?
First, I make coffee.
Good start.
Big cup, warm coffee.
Then,
I look out the window.
at the snow?
Yes, from inside, safe and warm.
What else?
I watch TV.
What do you watch?
Anything. Movies, shows, YouTube.
All day?
All day.
That's lazy.
That's relaxing. What about you, Olivia?
I do things.
What things?
I clean, I organize, I cook.
On a snow day?
Yes, I'm productive.
That sounds like work.
It's satisfying.
What do you eat on snow days?
Comfort food.
Like what?
Soup, toast, hot chocolate.
That sounds cozy.
Very cozy and easy.
Do you cook?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay, rarely. I usually order delivery.
Delivery? In the snow?
Yes, pizza delivery. They come in any weather.
Poor delivery drivers.
I tip extra.
That's good.
What about you?
I make soup from scratch.
From scratch?
Yes, fresh vegetables takes 2 hours.
2 hours?
It's delicious.
Too much work.
But it's homemade and healthy.
Pizza is faster.
David.
How do you stay warm?
I turn on the heating.
How high?
22 degrees.
That's warm,
Perfect.
but expensive.
Worth it.
I keep mine at 18 degrees.
18, that's cold.
I wear sweaters.
Inside?
Yes, 2 sweaters and socks. Thick socks.
You look like a bear.
A warm bear.
I also use blankets.
How many?
3 on the sofa.
Perfect for watching TV.
Exactly. Cozy and warm.
Do you get bored at home?
Sometimes.
What do you do?
I call friends.
On the phone?
Yes, video calls.
That's nice.
We talk, we laugh, we complain about the snow.
Snow complaints.
Everyone hates snow. I don't.
You're the only one.
Do you ever go outside?
Only if necessary.
Like when?
To get food or check the mail.
How long do you stay outside?
5 minutes maximum.
So quick.
In, out, done.
I like walking in the snow.
Walking? For fun?
Yes, it's peaceful, quiet.
It's cold.
Wear a coat.
Wear a coat.
Do you see your neighbors on snow days?
Sometimes.
What do they do?
Some shovel snow.
Shovel?
Yes, clear the pavement.
That's nice.
It's hard work.
Do you help?
No,
Why not?
I'm busy.
Busy watching TV?
Maybe
You should help.
next time.
Next time?
Maybe next time.
I helped my neighbor last week.
You did?
Yes, Mrs. Chen. She's 70 years old. I cleared her path.
That's very kind.
It took 30 minutes.
See, that's why I don't do it. Too long.
You're terrible.
You know, last year I had a big problem in the snow.
What happened?
I tried to drive.
Oh no.
Big mistake.
What happened?
Let's talk about it after the coffee break.
Good idea. This sounds like a story.
A very stressful story.
Coffee break time.
Perfect. I need warmth.
Hot coffee on a snowy day.
We'll be back after a short break.
And we're back.
Welcome back, listeners.
Time for part 2.
Snowy traffic problems.
David's scary story.
Okay, so this was last January.
Last year.
It snowed heavily, but I had an important meeting.
At work?
Yes, very important. I couldn't miss it.
So you decided to drive?
I had no choice.
Oh no.
I left home at 8 a.m. Usually, it takes 20 minutes to work,
Usually.
but not in snow.
How long did it take?
Wait, I'll tell you. So I got in my car
Was it covered in snow?
completely. I couldn't see anything.
What did you do?
I brushed off the snow 5 minutes.
Cold work.
Very cold. My hands were freezing.
Then?
I started the car. The engine was cold. It took 3 tries.
3 tries.
Yes, come on, come on. Finally, it started.
Good.
Then I started driving, very slowly.
How slowly?
15 kilometers per hour.
15. That's so slow.
The roads were icy. I couldn't go faster.
Smart.
Other cars were going slow too.
Traffic?
Terrible traffic. Cars everywhere, not moving.
How long were you stuck?
I got to the main road, complete stop.
Not moving at all?
Not moving, just sitting, waiting.
For how long?
30 minutes.
30 minutes?
In one spot, not moving.
What did you do?
Nothing, just sat there, listening to the radio.
Were you stressed?
Very stressed. My meeting was at 9 a.m. It was already 8:45.
Oh no.
I called my boss. I'm stuck in traffic. The snow.
What did he say?
Everyone is stuck. The meeting is canceled.
Oh, lucky.
I know, but I was still stuck in traffic.
You couldn't go home?
No, cars in front, cars behind. Trapped. Then something scary happened.
What?
The car in front started moving, slowly.
Good.
I started moving too, but then
Then?
the car in front stopped suddenly.
And you?
I pressed the brakes, but the car kept sliding.
Sliding?
On the ice, I was sliding towards the car.
Oh no.
I thought, I'm going to crash.
What happened?
I stopped, just in time, 5 centimeters from the other car.
5 centimeters?
So close. My heart was beating so fast.
That's terrifying.
I was shaking.
Did the other driver notice?
I don't think so, but I noticed.
Thank goodness you didn't crash.
I know. After that, I was very, very careful.
Did you eventually get to work?
Yes, at 10:30.
2.5 hours?
For a 20-minute journey.
Unbelievable.
Everyone was late. The office was half empty.
Because of the snow.
My boss said, "Next time, work from home."
Good advice.
Very good advice. Now, when it snows, I stay home.
You learned your lesson.
Definitely.
Listeners, let's talk about common problems in snowy traffic.
Yes, be prepared.
Problem 1. Icy roads.
Very slippery. Cars slide.
Drive slowly.
Very slowly. Half your normal speed.
Problem 2. Visibility.
Can't see.
Snow on your windscreen.
Turn on your wipers.
And your lights.
Even during the day.
Problem 3. Other drivers.
Some people drive too fast.
Or too slow.
Or they panic.
Keep distance.
Lots of distance.
What about buses and trains?
Also problems.
Delays?
Big delays. Buses are late, sometimes canceled.
Trains too?
Yes, trains can't run in heavy snow.
Why not?
Snow on the tracks, ice on the wires.
So what do people do?
They wait at cold bus stops.
That sounds miserable.
Very miserable. Waiting in the cold.
Or they work from home.
Best option.
Some people walk to work.
Brave people.
Is it safe?
Not really. Pavements are icy.
Easy to fall.
Like I did.
Your famous fall.
Not funny.
How can people walk safely?
Wear good boots.
With grip.
Walk slowly, small steps.
Look down, watch for ice.
And hold railings.
Good advice. So, listeners, when should you stay home?
Any snow, stay home.
That's your answer for everything.
Because it's true.
Realistically.
Okay. Stay home if
If what?
there's heavy snow, more than 10 centimeters.
Yes.
If the roads are very icy.
Check the news.
If public transit is canceled.
And if your boss says you can.
Always ask your boss first.
Safety first.
Always.
What if you must go out in snow?
Emergency tips.
Tip 1. Check the weather.
Before you leave.
Is it getting worse?
Maybe wait.
Tip 2. Tell someone.
Where you're going.
And when you'll arrive.
Safety.
Tip 3. Bring supplies.
Like what?
Phone charger, water, snacks.
In case you get stuck.
Tip 4. Wear warm clothes.
Obvious but important.
Hat, gloves, scarf.
Even in the car.
In case you break down. So, David, what did you learn?
Don't drive in snow.
What else?
If you must drive, leave early.
Give yourself extra time.
Lots of extra time.
What else?
Stay calm, don't panic.
Good advice.
And keep distance from other cars.
Very important.
But honestly, just stay home.
Back to staying home.
It's safer and warmer.
Quick vocabulary.
Snowy. Lots of snow. It's a snowy day.
Icy. Covered in ice. The roads are icy.
Slippery. Easy to slide. The pavement is slippery.
Traffic. Many cars on the road. There's heavy traffic.
Stuck. Can't move. I was stuck in traffic for an hour.
Delay. Late. Not on time. The train has a 30-minute delay. That's all for today.
Thanks for listening.
We talked about staying home on snowy days.
Wind and traffic problems.
My scary driving story.
Very scary. I still remember it.
What about you, listeners?
Do you drive in snow?
Or stay home?
Have you had any snow problems?
Tell us in the comments.
And subscribe.
New episodes every week.
Stay safe in the snow.
Stay warm.
And, if possible, stay home.
Goodbye.